Eat more protein has suddenly become a buzz phrase when it comes to weight loss. But there's something about protein that people don't get to talk about that could sabotage your weight loss efforts. I remain your favorite obesity and metabolic care specialist, and in this video, I will explain why eating more protein is not a magic wand.
Are you seriously?
Make no mistake about this, protein is powerful because it helps you stay full, preserve or build muscle, and support your body when used within your body's requirement. Anything outside of this, then it becomes a part of the problem, because the amount of protein that you consume has implications for your weight loss efforts. And here is why. Protein is made up of amino acids, and your body uses these amino acids for tissue repair, muscle building, or to support metabolism. But once these needs are met, the extra amino acids do not just disappear. Your body has to do something with them. And one of the main things you can do is convert this excess amino acid into glucose or fat, which can end up being stored if not used. So when they tell you just eat more protein, know that there's a difference between eating enough and eating too much. Why? Because your body cannot store amino acid. Remember, any excess amino acid will either be used as energy or stored as fat if energy requirement is already met.
Ouch!
This is not to say that you should avoid proteins. In fact, getting enough protein is one of the smartest things you can do when trying to lose weight. But again, enough and as much as possible are not the same thing. Then there's the quality and type of protein required depending on your overall health condition. And this difference can determine the outcome of your weight loss journey. And remember, your health is in your hands.